Alright, go ahead. Good luck. Where are you going? Darius, where are you going? Don't go on the stairs.
Why?
Because I don't want you falling down them. Darius, you're gonna... What's wrong? It's not heavy, is it? Need some help?
No.
Go ahead and take it off. Can you even get back up? Can you get back up? Try and get back up.
Somebody, I'm stuck on the floor.
Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand.
I'm stuck on the floor. I'm stuck on the floor.
Look at him. I have to carry that 4 days a week to school. And up a ramp. Not fun. Are you still trying to lift it?
I can't go.
Give it up. I love you.